Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get the volatility index on TradingView, step by step. The volatility index, commonly known as VIX, is a crucial tool for understanding market sentiment and potential future price swings. To begin, simply open your TradingView platform. Once it is loaded, navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top of your screen. Then, type in VIX to initiate your search for this important indicator. After typing VIX into the search bar, a list of results will appear. You should select the SIBO Volatility Index to add it directly to your chart. Once added, you will see the VIX values plotted. These values typically fluctuate between 10 and 30. It is important to note that higher VIX readings generally signal increased market uncertainty and investor fear, often preceding significant market moves. Interpreting VIX levels is crucial for informed trading. A VIX reading below 20 typically indicates a period of lower market volatility and relative stability. Conversely, when the VIX rises above 30, it often signals heightened market stress, increased investor fear, and potential for sharp price movements or downturns. Remember, the VIX specifically measures the market's expectation of volatility over the next 30 days. Incorporating the VIX into your trading strategy can significantly enhance your decision-making. Use the VIX to gauge overall market sentiment and assess potential risk levels before entering trades. Adjust your strategies based on current volatility. For instance, during high volatility, you might opt for smaller position sizes or more defensive plays. Conversely, lower volatility might allow for more aggressive strategies. Always consider the VIX as a valuable complement to your technical analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.